Hello, friends. Welcome to the learning tree of Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. In this learning capsule, we'll take you through the most important subject that is on Banking Ombudsman scheme. This scheme is an RBI initiative as a grievance redressal mechanism for the banking customers.
Hi Priya,
Hello, Uncle.
you seem to be lost and look tensed. Is all okay?
No, Uncle. I have some issues with my bank.
What is the issue? Can you share it with me?
Last week, I had given a letter to the bank to make a stop payment for a specific check that I had issued. Due to some issues with the counterparty, I was forced to issue the stop payment instructions. Now, to my surprise, the bank has cleared the check. On inquiry and complaint, I am not getting any satisfactory answer, and they are pushing me from one counter to another.
Do you have the acknowledgement copy of the stop payment request submitted to the bank?
Yes, I do have it with bank seal, stamp, and officer's signature and date.
What are the bank officials saying?
Bank is saying that it has been done inadvertently and they will coordinate with the beneficiary bank for recovery. But it's a loss to me and I cannot wait till the recovery happens.
Why don't you approach the Banking Ombudsman? It is an authority formed to resolve customers' grievances when the banks fail to satisfy customers' concern.
This seems to be an interesting and logical approach. Please tell me something more about this. Who is a banking ombudsman?
The Banking Ombudsman is a senior official appointed by the Reserve Bank of India to redress customer complaints against deficiency in certain banking services.
What is the procedure for filing the complaint before banking ombudsman?
Aggrieved persons not satisfied by bank's service and its resolution of complaint can apply to the Banking Ombudsman within 1 year from the date of receipt of the reply of the bank.
How many banking ombudsmen appointed by the RBI in different locations of the country?
As on date, 22 banking ombudsmen have been appointed with their offices located mostly in state capitals.
Which are the banks covered under this banking ombudsman scheme?
All scheduled commercial banks, regional rural banks, and scheduled primary cooperative banks are covered under the scheme.
When can one file a complaint before the banking ombudsman?
Now, one can file a complaint before the banking ombudsman if the reply is not received from the bank within a period of 1 month after the bank concerned has received one's complaint. A customer can also file a complaint with banking ombudsman if the bank rejects their complaint or if the complainant is not satisfied with the reply given by the bank. One can file a complaint with the banking ombudsman simply by writing on a plain paper. One can also file it online or by sending an email to the banking ombudsman.
Where can one lodge his or her complaint?
One may lodge his or her complaint at the office of the banking ombudsman under whose jurisdiction the bank branch complained against is situated. Initially, ombudsman attempts to have a mutual resolution between bank and the customer.
Is there any limit on the amount of compensation as specified in an award?
If not resolved in a month, banking ombudsman may issue a reward. Award can be for amount of loss or up to rupees 20 lakhs, whichever is lower. The Ombudsman can also award compensation up to rupees 1 lakh to the complainant as compensation for mental agony and harassment. Award should be accepted by the customer as full and final settlement within 15 days of receipt of the award. Banking Ombudsman may grant 15 days extension in time for acceptance of the award. The bank should comply with the directions contained in the award within 1 month of acceptance of the award.
Is there any further recourse available if one rejects a banking ombudsman's decision?
Yes, if not satisfied, either the bank or the customer can file an appeal with the Deputy Governor (RBI), who is the appellate authority.
Is there any time limit for filing an appeal?
One can file the appeal against the award or decision of the banking ombudsman rejecting the complaint within 30 days of the date of the receipt of the award. The appellate authority's decision is, however, final.
Thank you so much, Uncle, for sharing such valuable information. I'll surely approach the banking ombudsman. Thanks for watching.